Welcome to the Lodge on Lake Detroit, where affordable luxury meets sustainability. We're very proud of the awards that we have received at the Lodge. We have been recognized for our sustainability from the Minnesota Office of Tourism, Best Western International, as well as TripAdvisor. What is sustainability? At the Lodge on Lake Detroit, we have created an experience that'll sustain us through the next generation. Let me take you on our journey. Behind the scenes, we have installed the most energy-efficient equipment in our heating, cooling, and laundry areas to minimize the use of our natural resources. Nothing better than starting out the day with a cup of our organic coffee. At the Lodge, every room includes artwork made by local artisans. Our sustainability efforts include LED lighting. We have recycling bins in all of our guest rooms. And our amenities, Be Kind, our biodegradable package, where part of the proceeds are donated for bee research to the University of California, Davis. We use reusable plates, napkins, and silverware to reduce the amount of waste sent to the landfill. At Lola D's Lobby Bar, we feature wines that are organic, biodynamic, and sustainable. Down by the lake, you'll find our lakeshore restoration, where we have more native plants that naturally filter the remaining runoff at the Lodge on Lake Detroit into our greatest resource, Big Detroit Lake. Welcome to the Spa Within, where we carry the organic biodynamic skincare line Eminence. Sale of the products have resulted in us planting 2,800 trees. Relax, refresh, and renew at the Spa Within, knowing that all of our products are organic.
Come for the sunsets.
Stay for the experience.